make cheese bread. This is soft and fluffy cheese bread. For this bread we need fresh milk, cheddar cheese, all-purpose flour, instant dry yeast, sugar, salt, beaten egg, spring onion and melted butter. Mix the ingredients together: flour, instant dry yeast, milk, salt, sugar, spring onion, egg and butter. The dough will be very soft and sticky, and you cover this dough with kitchen towel and let it rest for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, you open and sprinkle the silicone mud with some flour to handle the sticky dough. Make the dough into a ball. And cut the dough into 12 pieces. And now you make a ball, every pieces. Now roll the dough. Fill in with the cheese. And you close this. You repeat for all the dough like this. Brush the dough with melted butter. And transfer the dough into the prepared loaf pan. I use 25 by 12 by 7 centimeter loaf pan. And you brush also the other side of the dough. We repeat for all the dough like that. Brush the dough also on the top with the melted butter. Now cover the log pan with kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, sprinkle with cheese. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius and you bake this for 30 until 40 minutes depend on your oven. See this? So nice. It's really soft, the bread. We'll try this now. Oh my gosh. Tastes really good with the cheese inside and smells good also. What smells good? There's spring onion, makes smells good. Really nice the taste. I love it. You have to try this. It's really nice. It's really delicious. Trust me. You will like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give like and leave your comment. Share my video. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.